The cold drinks and snacks, such as ice cream, is made by pure water, milk, milk powder, cream or plain oil and sugar. Then adds some food additives, and during the process of mixing, sterilization, homogenization, aging, freezing and hardening to get a volume expansion frozen food. Generally has 3 types, such as ice cream bar and ice cream bar. This type of cold food contains excellent protein and high sugar and fat. It also has amino acids, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chlorine, sulfur, iron, etc. It can regulate the physiology function, maintain permeation pressure and the pH balance. Depends on the international standard of this food, the nutrition contained in the ice cream is 2.8 to 3 times than the milk, and can reach the 95% digestibility in the human body. The cold drinks and snacks production line includes the collection milk system, storage system, milk separator and filtration system, water treatment system, emulsion and ingredients system, flash degassing system, homogeneous sterilization system, cooling and aging system, freezing system, hardening molding system, automatic packing system, and CIP cleaning system. The quality of production water makes a direct influence to the operation and maintain of the equipment and the appearance and taste of the milk food. So, it must choose pure water to produce. The widely used water treatment equipment in the world is the reverse osmosis unit. Our factory's highly automatic reverse osmosis has the full function and stable performance, and water quality is completed correspond to the national pure water standard. The milk collection system includes the milk collection, filter, milk separator, and degassing equipment and cooling storage equipment. The pre-treatment includes the storage system, milk separator equipment, emulsifying and dispensing equipment, flash degassing equipment, homogeneous equipment, sterilizing equipment, cooling aging equipment, and freezing equipment. All the parts which contact with material are made of high-quality stainless steel. All the piping systems are used of SUS 304 stainless steel. The pre-treatment process includes mixing, preparing, degassing, homogeneous, sterilization, cooling, aging, and freezing. The flash steam degassing unit produced by our factory adopts the advanced interface control system to degas the material, which can reach 98% and also can remove the water and peculiar odor in the material. It mainly used for the milk, juice, and beverage of concentration and degas in a vacuum state that can increase effectively the incense and viscosity of the product and to prevent product oxidation, thereby enhancing the quality of the product to extend product shelf life. The clay and tube UHT sterilizer produced by our factory can be used for sterilization of liquid milk product. It has 2 forms of control, semi-automatic and fully automatic. The fully automatic machine adopts the advanced PLC and interface technology that realizes the automatic control and the monitor record during the whole process and can be designed by the customer requirements. The continuous ice cream freezing machine adopts the most important advanced technology and then designed a new product. It is equipped with individual freezing system, which adopts the international brand semi-closed freezing compressor, valves, and other tools. It's easy to install, operate, and works steady. All the parts which contact with material is made of excellent quality stainless steel. All the parts can tear apart and clean easily to meet the health standard of the food processing. The packing system is the most important part of the processing of cold drinks and snacks. The steady state is directly related to the intrinsic quality of the final product. The different kinds of cold drinks and snacks have the different packaging and forming processes. The ice cream adopts the manner of putting it into the cap or cone directly after freezing, and then shoved in the fast freezing tunnel. The ice cream bar adopts the manner of putting it into the mold after freezing, then freezing shoved in the brine sink, and finally put down the mold to pack. And the ice cream and ice cream bar adopts the manner of putting into mold or cut into pieces after freezing, then shoved in a fast freezing tunnel. Our colorful ice cream filling machine takes the intermittent linear action and multi-head filling simultaneous. The main product are ice cream cones, round cups of ice cream, and a variety of drawing garland, turning garland ice cream. It can fill in double color, tricolor ice cream, and ice cream slurry, ice cream with chocolate. It also can plain color products when filling. The equipment has the function of automatic cup drop, cup adding, covering and capping, hot sealing conveyor, etc. The equipment adopts the PLC, interface touch operation and complex mechanical control. It's easy to adjust the speed and reliable operation. It's the best choice for the ice cream filling. Our colorful ice cream machine is the automatic and multifunction production line with external cold source. It mainly produces various forms of sandwich, cold-belt ice cream. This equipment has the flow chart of shell filling, slurry suction, slurry filling, sticking, stripping and coating, then can make the production of a variety special ice cream through the high consistency vacuum to suck the slurry, add the dried fruit, double color filling slurry, rock filling and spraying the fruits, etc. The machine adopts automatic PLC control technique and man-machine interface touchscreen operation. The power device system adopts the full air pressure transmission as the main power and output a set work order process from the PLC by the electric signal to make all the equipment finish the process action. The fully automatic colorful ice cream adopts cycle refrigerant and hot exchanging and grading structure of cold brine to maximize the productive capacity of the equipment. Besides the basic function, it also can do the multifunction colorful filling, exchanging filling, vertical colorful, upper and lower double colorful filling, adding dry fruit, spraying fruit and double colorful rotary filling. The fully automatic colorful ice cream is the equipment necessary for the big production of high-quality ice cream. Our fast freezing tunnel is designed especially for the cold drinks and snacks, multi-airflow freezing direction which can freeze evenly, or aluminum evaporator and stainless steel centrifugal fan which has the high freezing capacity. And it has the stainless steel shell of outsourcing, compact structure, small area, and low power consumption. Depends on the different types of products. The filling products enter through the lamp inspection, fast freezing tunnel, drying, labeling, printing, and packing process one by one. And our factory also makes the accessories equipment includes injection machine, extrusion blow molding machine, labeling machine, shrinking machine, sticking machine, inkjet printer, full line conveyor system, packing machine, wrap shrinking machine, sealing machine and palletizing machine, etc. The customer can make a choice depending on the actual situation.